Hello my dear students, welcome to Prudence Coaching English class. Here you will get ICSE, CBSE and WBBSE solutions.
Let us start with factors and multiples. Do you know what is a factor and what is a multiple? Okay, I know some of you have some doubts regarding factors and multiple. Don't worry students, if you have any doubt regarding this factor and multiple, I am going to clear it out in this particular class. So you must listen to this class very attentively. Let us first go through the definition of a factor. A factor is one of two or more numbers that divides a given number exactly without leaving a remainder.
Now students, let us understand what is a factor with help of an example. Here we have taken an example that is 2 into 7 equals to 14. Here as you can see, 2 and 7 are the factors of 14. Why 2 and 7 are the factors? Because 2 can divide 14 exactly, or you can say if 2 divides 14 then the remainder will be 0. Again, if we divide 14 by 7, or you can say if 7 divides 14 then also you will get 0 remainder. That means if we divide 14 by 2 and if we divide 14 by 7, then in the both case we will get a 0 remainder, or here 14 will be exactly divisible by 2 and 7. Therefore 2 and 7 are the factors of 14. Now let us go through the definition of a multiple. A multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number. Let us clear this with an example. Let us take the same example, that is 2 into 7 equals to 14. Here 14 is a multiple of 2 and 7. Why 14 is a multiple of 2 and 7? Because this 14 is exactly divisible by 2 and it is also exactly divisible by 7. Therefore 14 is a multiple of 7. That means if a number is divisible by another number, then this number is the multiple. So here 14 is the multiple of 2 and 7, and here 2 and 7 are the factors of 14. My dear students, now it is clear to you what is a factor and what is a multiple. Now let us go through the worksheet. Number 1. Check if the first number is a multiple of the second number. Now in this question we need to check that whether 63 is a multiple of 7 or not. How we will check? We will just divide 63 by 7. So by dividing 63 by 7 we will get 7 9s are 63 and the remainder will be 0. So as you can see, remainder is 0. That means 63 is exactly divisible by 7. So it is a multiple of 7, because we have learned in the previous definition that a multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number. So here the multiple is 63, which is exactly divisible by 7. Therefore 7 is a multiple of 63. So we will write yes, 63 is a multiple of 7. So as we have done before, we will do the same thing here, that is we will divide the number that is 54 by 9 and check whether it is exactly divisible or not. We know 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54, that means the remainder is 0. So as our remainder is 0, that means 54 is exactly divisible by 9. So as 54 is exactly divisible by 9, we can say yes, 54 is a multiple of 9. Next one, 53 is the first number and we need to check whether 53 is a multiple of second number, that is 10 or not. So we will follow the same step, that is we will divide 53 by 10. By dividing we will get 5 10s are 50 and our remainder will be 3. As you can see here, 3 is the remainder. That means 53 is not exactly divisible by 10. Therefore we will write 53 is not a multiple of 10. Next one, question number 2. List the factors of the following numbers. We need to write all the factors of the given number. First number is 32, which is given to us. So in order to find out all the factors of 32, what we are going to do is, first we will start with 1. We know 1 into 32 is 32. So we have written 1 into 32 equals to 32. Next we will check whether 32 is divisible by 2 or not. As 32 is even number, therefore it is divisible by 2, and we know 2 into 16 is 32. If we don't know the multiplication tables well, then we will divide 32 by 2, and as a result we will get 2 ones are 2, and we will get a remainder 1, and we will take this 2 down, so we will get 2 6 are 12. So as a result we have got 2 into 16, that is 32. Next number is 3. After 1 we get 2, next is 3. So we need to divide 32 by 3, and as you can see 3 ones are 3, and we will get a remainder 2, and we know that 2 is smaller than 3 and 2 is not divisible by 3. Therefore here the remainder is 2, and as we are getting a remainder, therefore 32 is not exactly divisible by 3. Therefore we will just cancel 3. Next we will check 4. After 3 we have 4. So we will check whether 32 is divisible by 4 or not. So we know 4 8s are 32. So it is exactly divisible. So you will write 4 into 8 equals to 32. Next number is 5, and we will check whether 32 is divisible by 5 or not. 5 6 are 30, and we are getting a remainder 2, which is not equals to 0. Therefore it is not divisible by 5. So we will cancel 5. Next we will check 6. So 32 divided by 6 is 6 5s are 30, and we will get a remainder 2, which is not equals to 0. Therefore 32 is not divisible by 6, or you can say 6 cannot divide 32 exactly. So we will cancel 6. Next we will check 7. We know 7 4s are 28. As a result we will get a remainder 4, which is not equals to 0. Therefore 32 is not exactly divisible by 7. So we will cancel this one. Next one is, we will check 8. After 7 we have 8. So 32 divided by 8 is 8 4s are 32, which is exactly divisible. So we will write 8 into 4 32. And one thing you need to notice, after this step, in this two step, you can see that 4 is coming here and 8 is going there. Means we are having a cross multiplication. Whenever we will get this type of cross multiplication, that is first number will come here and the second number will go in the first, then only we will stop doing this thing and we will find out our factors. How we will find out? We will start with 1. That is, we will start with 1 and we will move like this and we will go up. So our factors of 32 will be 1, 2, 4. After 4 is 8. Next is 16 and 32. So these are the factors of 32. So I am just repeating once again what you need to do. That is, we will start all the multiplication from 1 to 10. We will check that whether the given number is exactly divisible or not, and we will write like this. And a step will come when you will find that there is a cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means this one will go in this step, that is this one will go in the second place and second number will go in the first place. There we will stop and we will start writing the factors. We will start from 1, we will go until here, then we will move like this and we will go up and write all the factors. Let us see another example. In order to find out the factors of 18, we will follow the same steps which we have followed in case of the previous sum. So first we will find out the numbers which can divide 18 exactly, and we will choose the number in the ascending order from 1 to 10. So we will take the numbers from 1 to 10 and check whether these numbers can divide 18 exactly or not. We know 1 into 18 equals to 18. Next we will check the next number, that is 2, whether 18 is divisible by 2 or not. We know 2 into 9, that is 18. And students, if you don't know the multiplication tables, I will suggest you to learn those, and if you want to do without that, then also you can do. what you need to do is, first we will write 18 in the rough and we will check whether it is exactly divisible by 2 or not. So 18, when 18 is divided by 2, we will get 2 9s are 18 and the remainder is 0. Therefore it is exactly divisible, so we will write 2 into 9, that is 18. Next, what we need to do, we need to check for 3. We have completed the 2, now we will start with 3. We know 3 into 6 equals to 18. Now we need to check 4. As we know that 18 is not exactly divisible by 4, because if we divide 18 by 4, then we will get 4 4s are 16 and our remainder will be 2. So as we are finding a remainder, that is 2, which is not equals to 0, therefore it is not exactly divisible by 4. Now we will check for 5. We know that 18 is not divisible by 5, so we will check for 6. We know 6 into 3 equals to 18. So dear students, when you will reach to a position when you will find that the first number is going to the second position and the second number is moving to the first position, or you are seeing that the numbers are interchanging, at that particular step you will just stop doing all these things and you will just write down the factors. We will start writing the factors from the beginning, that is from 1 it will go like this, that is 1 2 3, and after that the step which is repeating we will move before that and we will just move towards our right. So after 3 it will be 6, then we will move upward, that is 9, and lastly we will get 18. So factors of this given number, that is 18, are 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. So we will write that factors of 18 are 1 2 3 6 9 and 18. Let us see the next example, that is 72. So similarly we will find out all these things and we will write all these things, and ultimately we will reach to a position when the numbers will be interchanging, that is 8 will move here and 9 will move in the beginning. So in this particular step we will stop and we will write the answers, that is the factors of 72, that is 1 2 3 4 6 8. We will move towards our right, that is 9, next 12 18 24 36 and 72. So like this we will find out the factors of 72. Another one example, let us say, that is 27. We know 1 into 27 equals to 27. 27 is not divisible by 2, therefore we have not written 2. Next is 3. 3 into 9 is 27 and it is not divisible by 4 5 6 7 8, so we have just ignored those. And next one is 9, as 27 is divisible by 9, so we have written 9 into 3 27. And in this particular step we can see that 3 is moving towards the second position and 9 is moving to the first position. At this particular step we will just stop and write the factors, that is 1 3, next we will move towards our right, that is 9 and 27. So the factors of 27 are 1 3 9 and 27.
So my dear students, now I think it is clear to you what is a factor, what is a multiple, and how to find out whether a given number is a factor of the number or whether it is a multiple of a given number or not. And we have also learned how to find out the factors of a given number. So in the next class we will start with prime number and composite number, and in the next video we will also learn what is a co-prime number. Till then students, take care of yourself, stay happy, and if you find the content of this video helpful for you, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more videos like this, and also press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from this particular channel. Thank you.